Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. This is Aries for the 11th to the 13th of September. And these are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send us the messages they need to hear the most for this weekend. Thank you. So Aries, thank you all my subscribers. Thank you for all your love, care, share, likes and comments. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here weekly for all kinds of love readings, monthlies, bi-monthlies, etc. In fact, we meet here for weekends as well now of recent. So join us. Welcome. So Aries, this is going to be a mini reading as always for the weekend. Just 3 cards each to see how you guys are doing and what can we expect for this weekend. Bottom of my deck, I have the 8 of Pentacles. Are you working this weekend, Aries? What are you working on? You should go out and have some fun this weekend. Before I open your cards, Aries, I'm going to take an angel blessing card for you as well to top the reading. So my angels, what do you have for my Aries for this weekend? Play music. Yes, that's what angels are saying as well. One more card, Spirit. They're just seconding everything I just said, sorry. One more card I'll take. See, this is exactly what I said, right? Play music, enjoy yourself. I think you're putting in too much of yourself into work and not caring whether it's the weekend or not. It's time now to chill out a bit. Reach out to friends or family or something and get some communication. Oh, okay. Okay, I won't take those cards, but that's an interesting thought that I just had. Let's see. I'm going to put this card here next to my angel and see how it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. But Aries, I do see you heavily at work. And my angels are saying the same thing. It's time to take some chill out time, okay? Give yourself a break. So let's start opening the cards. The Chariot, 9 of Pentacles, and the Ace of Pentacles, okay? 3 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Cups, and the Magician. Aries, somebody is wanting to rush towards you, it seems. They don't want you to be single, I think, because you're looking single and happy and everything, but that card is in reverse. So, and they want to have a fresh new beginning with you. Yes, they want to return after I think you walked away from them. Somebody is trying to manifest a return here, Aries. Let me take some clarifiers for them. The Chariot, Spirit. What's this Chariot? What's this Chariot upright? Yes, there's somebody who's madly in love with you, Aries, here. The King of Cups, they have a lot of love for you and they want a rebirth with you, a restart. And they want to take some action towards you and probably meet up or come towards you, take you out or something. They want to, whatever chapter ended or maybe in the past with this person, they are wishing and hoping for a new beginning with you because they feel they have a lot of love in their heart for you. So what's this 9 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? 9 of Pentacles in reverse. They don't want this chapter to end with you, Aries, and they want to now come in with something stable. Okay, they don't want to be single and nor do the like that you are single and out there and maybe available to anyone else. So they want to take charge. They want to take charge. They don't want to end this chapter with you. And they want to be the man in your life, basically. With this Ace of Pentacles, they want to, I think, start a brand new chapter with you. Let's see. Spirit, what is this Ace of Pentacles? Yeah, maybe this 8 of Pentacles which I had, which was, I said, working towards card, it could be they wanting to work towards building something up with you again, Aries. They don't want now to come with any wishy-washy offer. Maybe earlier they came in as a flirt. Maybe earlier they didn't show you consistency. No, 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 no. Give me one more second, Aries. The story is turning here. What's this Ace of Pentacles spirit for Aries? Aries, I think as much as this person is wanting to come towards you and bring you an offer of a restart, a re-beginning or whatever, I think Aries, you've already stepped out into work. No, this card is correct. You've turned the other direction. You are going towards your stability here. Right? You are manifesting a new beginning for yourself and you're putting in all this work. I was correct the first time, right? So you feel or you felt that this person is a flirt. He's a bad flirt. He comes in and he doesn't amount to anything. Comes in with offers of love which really don't amount to anything. And you also consider this person to be rude and mean and everything. And you are now getting more and more as clear with each day that I'm clear about my forward movement in life and I don't want to work towards this person anymore. So Aries, here in the first line I see one person wishing to come back towards you and wanting to be with you, and I see you busy working and not even paying them any attention and being very clear in your goals and your objectives here. You've kind of turned your back on them. Totally turned your back and you have walked away from this situation altogether. So Spirit, 3 of Wands in reverse. 3 of Wands in reverse. Yeah, you are no longer showing your emotions for this person anymore. You may have them, but I think you are directing it all towards yourself with self-love and self-nurturing. I think you become very intuitive as well, and you are now kind of not interested in having any conversation with them or talking to them. I mean, all this love that you had for them, you've put a lid on this cup and turned away from them, and possibly saving all your nurturing and loving for yourself now, Aries, and turned your back and you've walked away from them. Or you are walking away from them. You're not giving them any attention this weekend. Let's see. You don't even want to talk to them. You're not calling them anything. 8 of Cups, Spirit. Yeah, according to Aries, this chapter is shut now. It's over. There were too many swords, too much betrayal that Aries feels has happened to them, and now you are healing from this, trying to focus on yourself, trying to release all these terrible 10 swords which somebody plunged into your back, and trying to manifest something. So what's this Magician upright, Spirit? Who's this Magician upright? This, I think this person did something really foolish. This person was a big fool. With a Fool in reverse. And you are no longer wanting to work with this person, Aries. 3 of Pentacles are in reverse. Or maybe they kind of brought in third parties or something. They're trying to fool you, trying to create illusions, and which Aries didn't like, because Aries is very truthful, very honest, truthful. If they love, it's for life. And this character was very weak. This person was a coward. They were trying to, create illusions in your life. They did something foolish with you. They maybe brought in third parties. These things really didn't work out between the two of you. And Aries, you've pulled away from this person, but this person here seems to still want to work towards you. They're still trying to manifest something. So let's see what's going to happen this weekend. Any of you want a private reading, you could always reach out to me as well, Aries. My email is in the description box below. Knight of Coins, Hierophant, and the King of Cups. He's back. Okay, so somebody, Aries, this weekend wants to come towards you, okay, with a stable offer, like not a wishy-washy offer. Maybe they came in as the Knight of Cups earlier, or this could be a new person. I don't think so, Aries, because the same, wow. Okay, so the same King of Cups is here who was here earlier, right? So this is the same character. Now they are trying to manifest something brand new with you. The Magician is back. The Magician is back. So, what's this Knight of Pentacles spirit? Normally, Knight of Aries, the love is lost here, okay, after you walked away and whatever. Now they are trying, this person, King of Cups, knows that it was their fault. With why the tower fell, sorry, they know that it was their fault. And they are trying very hard to stall it somehow. They're trying to use every power that they have to kind of manifest this tower from not falling completely. So they are trying, I think, to manifest a new beginning with you. What's this Hierophant spirit? Hierophant? That's a card of commitment normally, Aries. So let's see why this is here. They're not happy without you at all. They're trying to manifest a new beginning or some kind of commitment with you. But they know Aries is a woman scorned now. She has her sword up. Oh my God, there's so much love here. There's so much big cup of love. But is it coming, Spirit, this weekend with this King of Cups? They want to rush towards you, Aries. They want to rush towards you with passion. They are, and it's just not passion. They're coming in with this. They're coming in with love. They're coming in with, as the King of Cups now. Maybe emotionally a bit distant. So, Spirit, they want to, I know, but will they? What can Aries expect for this weekend? No, Aries, this weekend also I think it's all manifesting. It's all manifesting. If there is anything, it will be very small, very little, almost like not at all. That's the wounded warrior. They're still waiting, hoping, wishing, wanting something stable. But they don't want to work towards it, Aries. They're trying to manifest a new beginning as if it's going to drop out of the heavens and into their lap. Or maybe hoping that Aries will put the sword down one day and bring them the cup of love. So we both know, Aries, what's going to happen, right? Aries is going to play music. La-di-da-di-da. I don't care a S. Aries is going to concentrate on themselves. One more card, Spirit, for the Knight of Wands and the King of Cups. Yeah, they even though they want to, they have this love which they can't show. They have a lot of passion. All they're going to do this weekend is Aries is also stalk you. So maybe stalk you on social media, through friends or whatever. That's it, Aries. You heal your broken heart, okay? You get over it, play your music, go out with friends, enjoy yourself, work on yourself, reach out to your own other friends, family, have a ball, okay? Don't wait around for this very selfish character, very selfish character who's sitting there manifesting a new beginning, hoping you're going to bring in the love. That's all I have for you, Aries. Take care, love and light, and go around, go out and date a little. Let's find some new love for you now. Love and light. Namaste.